Hi, I'm Wendy from Hillstart Nutrition, Health and Wellness, and in conjunction with the Cancer Support Centre in Sutton Coldfield, I'm going to be making some energy balls for you today. This is one of the simplest recipes ever. So if you've ever gone to the supermarket and seen those little energy balls in little packs, like Deliciously Ella do them and other brands, you can now make your own in a matter of minutes. They pretty much last forever. Nuts last forever. Dates are dried, that's why they last pretty much forever. So you just blending these up, you can keep them in the fridge, and then anytime you go out the house, you can pop a couple in your bag, and then you've got something healthy and nutritious to tide you over to your next full meal. Or maybe you just don't fancy a whole meal, they're nice and nutritious and much better for you than a chocolate bar. Now you could really use any nuts, but I've chosen cashew nuts in this. They're high in unsaturated fats, so really healthy for you. But actually cashews are one of the lowest calorie nuts as well. I think they blend quite well. They're quite a soft nut. So we're going for medjool dates if possible. So these are lovely squidgy dates, really nice and big. And this is what's going to help sort of keep our balls in shape, sort of stick them together. Make sure you remove the seed before we use them. And then finally, we've got a little bit of flavouring. So today I'm going to use ginger. Ginger is a lovely warming spice. I just love this combination. It makes quite a light kind of energy ball, but you could use cacao powder, you could use cinnamon if that's what you like. Also, you could do things like adding some coconut flakes or even rolling them in coconut flakes when you finish. So there's loads and loads of different options, but I just wanted to do something that was really simple and really easy. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to blend the nuts. And we're going to add just a little pinch of salt. So it's not a full powder. We've got some small, tiny chunks and then some kind of more powdery pieces. So now we're going to add the dates. So now we're just going to check the consistency and I'm going to add the spice. And what I'm looking for is I want it so that it'll hold together because we're not adding anything to this. So unlike many shop boughts that add extra ingredients, you don't need them if you get your blending right. So what I'm looking for is a consistency that sticks together. Now this isn't quite ready, and that's what I was expecting. So I'm just going to blend it for a little bit longer, and I'm going to add the ginger now. These the ingredients are wonderful. The dates, for example, really help with bowel movement. So you know when you were a kid maybe, and your grandparents used to say, like, have some dates or some figs. So we've blended it a little bit more, and now what we've got is a consistency that you can see is going to stay together, and that is exactly what we're looking for because this is going to be our little energy ball. You want about, I would say about a golf ball sized, and mine are never equal. They're all different sizes, you know, and that's the joy of having something that's homemade. You can literally just take a handful, or like a golf ball size, squeeze it in your hands. If you were going to add a coating to it now, so cacao powder or coconut flakes, you just have that in a plate and we just wrap it in it. That is it. 3 ingredients and you've got an amazing energy ball. Personally, I love them with a cup of herbal tea. I really like ginger, so I'd go for like a cinnamon and a 3 ginger tea. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that you do enjoy cooking the meal.